fools next door, you know, I start dissing them because they were doing some bullshit, you know, my raps and shit. And they started up with the strimming. So this is how they retaliate, you know what I mean? They would try and retaliate with non-verbal methods. So they started using this strimmer or hedge cutter or something like that. See, this is because I really went in, you know what I mean? I went in on them for the bullshit they would do. Seen this shit. Those are funny, man. These people are stupid, man. This is the shit they do, man, when they get mad.